Have you ever been mowing your lawn and you back up and you wish you had a rear view mirror? Well, that kind of thing happens to me all the time. And I was thinking, I got these two holes here that you mount things in, like an accessory like this. Could be mounted there. They had another roof, a canopy with 4 posts. But I got 2 extra holes here, and I went looking for mirrors to see if anything would fit in there, like a tractor mirror or whatever. I found these bike mirrors. Look, I already put one on. Look. So now I can see behind me, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put them on. I got 2 of them. I put one on already, and it's going to go right in that hole there. Come here, let me show you how easy this is. Let me get my knife. First you open the package. These are actually supposed to be for like the ends of your handlebars, I guess. And there's an Allen screw and there's a sleeve inside. And they can go this way or this way or this way or this way. So I have 2 mirrors there. Isn't it gonna be nice? All right, let me get my Allen wrench. I forgot I needed that for this. So I got an Allen wrench here. If you're putting these on a bicycle, I guess it would be easy, but I got holes here already. Ain't that neat? And this is like a sleeve that expands with an Allen screw there. See? I broke it. 5 years of good luck. Ouch. Oh, something else fell out. A screw. See, we're not going to need that screw anymore. Then the outer sleeve comes off, which makes it thinner, and it's expandable, see? And it fits right in that hole, tightly. I like it. Let me put this stuff away. There's always little gadgets in my hands. Hang on. Parts. I'm not going to need the Allen key anymore. So they squeeze together, and they fit in that hole. And these adjust to wherever you like them. Isn't that amazing? This one went in easy. It goes in. See? Push it down. It's a nice tight fit. Ain't going nowhere, look. Peel off the protective surprise. See that? Now, I can see behind me. Let me start it up and give it a ride. Wait. See what they look like this. Watch. Watch this surprise. You know it already. Look. Whee! Alright, I'll put it so you can see it. So the mirrors aren't really about looking behind where I've been. They're more about seeing how cool I look on the way to where I'm going. Like when I'm mowing, see. Get yourself some mower mirrors. Go cut the grass.